Hi, Paul Hogendorn, FreePoint Technologies. This session right now is really non-technical. It's more behavioral modification and it's more human psychology than anything else. The number one way to improve productivity in most plants is really behavioral modification. Getting everybody to pay attention to what matters and what adds value and understand what doesn't matter so much and what doesn't add value. With FreePoint, we use a very, very simple system. The bar is blue when you're adding value. The bar is not blue when you're not adding value. On the plant floor today, your operators are going to be measuring three things. They're going to be measuring how long are they at work. That's the punch clock, and that determines how much they get paid. And that's a very objective measurement. They're going to measure how good they're working. That's a very subjective measurement, and every good operator, every good employee believes they're doing good work. And they're going to measure how busy they are. Everybody that works on the plant floor wants to be busy. What they're not measuring is how productive they are. There is no measurement for that. And that's what FreePoint does. That's what we bring to the plant floor. The bar is blue when you're adding value. The bar is not blue when you're not adding value. As simple as that. The KPIs that I show here as examples are KPIs that are built not for management's purposes. These are built for operators' purposes, to give them a sense for how they are scoring on the value adding scale. Are we adding value today or are we not adding value today? It's a very, very simple thing to measure and a very simple thing to display. Once you make value adding activity visible to everybody, you're not saying good, you're not saying bad, you're simply saying it is what it is. You've made it visible to all. After that, now you can make it a conversation point, and they are part of the conversation. They say, there was no shift scheduled. They say, I was waiting for the crane. They say, I was doing a quality check. They're now part of the conversation. The blue bar is the blue bar. It is what it is. It's not something that can be argued about. You were adding value or you weren't adding value. But now you've basically told the operator that you are not watching them, you are listening to them. The idea, if you want to engage your folks, is to collect the information, see what they're telling you, and act upon it. For instance, one of our customers saw that their setup people recorded a lot of lost time looking for tools. So management went out and bought 18 new toolboxes and put them in play. What did that do? Did it eliminate that downtime? Yes. What was more important than that is it told all of their operators, we're not watching you, we're listening to you. And then another thing for engagement and modifying behavior that can't be overlooked is everybody wants to be a part of a winning team. When you collect this information, you see this information, you act on this information, and the next month it changes. Everybody wins. Everybody's on a winning team. The magic behind the FreePoint system is not really the technology. It's not the fact that it's a really, really low cost. The magic behind the FreePoint system is the fact that it engages operators, supervisors, management. It puts everybody on the same team, and it lets everybody celebrate victories together.